Hello, this is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. Thank you for popping in to visit my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, I am a wife, a mother, an avid crafter. I sometimes call myself a crafter of all things. My mother owned a craft store when I was little, and even when she didn't, we always had bits and bobs of stuff that we were able to draw with or make things with and keep ourselves busy. I was raised the youngest of 9 children, so we didn't have a lot of store-bought type things, but we had a lot of fun with things in nature, leaves and rocks, and who knows, we just, some might have said it was, would not be easy to be raised without a lot of money, but we didn't even know we didn't have money. My mother was amazing and always had things for us to do and always kept us well fed and taken care of. And we were very, very blessed to have her. Where my camera's just way not at the right angle. Okay, I'm here today with a Scrapbooking with Me design team project featuring the Happy Holidays collection. I did show, if you go back one video, I showed a tutorial of the base of this little booklet. It's not really a folio, maybe it is technically. It's more like a little booklet using the Happy Holidays collection. But before we get started with that, let me just tell you again about the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway collab with Scrapbooking with Me. Today will be the let's see, the 11th day of Christmas, and the collab video will be by Julie. And Julie's, if you search the playlist, which will be listed in the description of this video, you will find the playlist, and the video should be up at some point today. A lot of times it's in the afternoon. It might be in the morning. It might be yet this morning, and we'll see what fun stuff she comes up with. In addition to being able to see whatever Julie's project is, using the awesome collection of papers. And the really, really cool thing is, if you watch each video in the 12 Days collab, plus we had a bonus video yesterday by Brian, so actually there's going to be 13 videos that are part of the official collab. If you watch the videos and you comment and you like the video, and if you're going to comment, please leave a more than just a nice project, more than just I like it, more than just a few words. Please leave an actual comment that will help us as creators to know if we're doing something right or if we're not doing something right. When I posted my video on the 9th, one of the things we do in this collab is on our day, we post a link to the Google Drive file where you can get your freebie pages for the day, because each day there's 3 pages that you will get for free, digital pages that you can print. And not only did I forget to post the 3 freebie pages for my day, I also forgot to post a link to the tags and journal cards that I used in the project. And that was bad enough, but I also mentioned in my tutorial several times that I would be posting both of those. And when the day mine posted, I was quite busy. I had several different activities going on. We were doing some baking in the morning, and then there was an ugly sweater Christmas celebration in the middle of the morning with some friends and family, and then went into the city, which is about an hour away, and to have lunch with somebody. And then I went to meet another friend, and Then we stopped and did some last minute Christmas shopping, came home and had a big pre-holiday dinner with my daughter and her boyfriend and my sister. And then we started to have a movie night, but we got too tired. And I did not even realize that I hadn't posted the links in my video until I got online at like 10 o'clock at night. Not only did I have a whole lot of comments from everybody, thanks for those comments, asking for the links, I also had emails, Facebook messages, and I think somebody even texted me. Anyway, saying, hey, you forgot to post the link. So I do apologize for that. If that was you, my apologies. I just forgot. So I will try to do better. So if I tell you I'm going to post something in the comments of this video, I sure hope I do. Because the only bright side to forgetting to post these things is I think that because I forgot that and everybody was reminding me in the comments along with their kind words, they were reminding me that they needed those. That may have been the video that had the most comments ever since I started doing YouTube. So I guess if you want to call it a bright side, but again, I'm sorry for the inconvenience. So let's get right with it. I was working on that folio. You can see the giveaway rules and such in today's video on Julie's channel. Edith with Scrapbooking with Me will post in her channel also, so you can go see Julie's. But again, if you look at the playlist, all the videos for the entire collab will be in the playlist. Please make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe, because there is going to be a big giveaway at the end of this collab. And so in addition to the daily videos that we're having, we only have a couple days left, 2 days left. We have today, the 22nd, and tomorrow, so I guess kind of 2 days. There'll be the videos. There's a daily deal every day, and today's daily deal, we leave that up to the person. Oh, here's the little collab list. We leave that up to the person who's doing the daily video and Edith with Scrapbooking with Me to tell you what it is. But there is a fun deal of the day. Ooh, it's a really good one. So go check out the daily video and you will find out what it is. And tomorrow's daily deal is even, yet another great one. So let me show you this project. I'm already talking too much. It's been 8 minutes and I haven't shown you anything. So please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Come back again soon. I do appreciate every one of the viewers. This collab has been a blast. This is my, I don't remember when the first month, I think November was the first month on this design team, and I am learning so much. So here we go. If you want to see more about how this project was made with the Happy Holidays collection and the Santa's tags and journal card collections from Scrapbooking with Me, go back a video because it's in there. Okay, so yesterday I had the base of this. I had this guy on, but I didn't have the additional embellishments. These are just a couple of pieces. Like I said, it's a quick little flip book. I did layer the Santa up. I did layer some extra flowers to bring it. This was some fun little trim I had. I thought I would use that to hold my book together. So this is one of the Santa journal cards. This is all from the Happy Holidays collection. I tore the pages, glued them back to back. I did scuff up the edges. This was bright white yesterday. I did scuff it up a little, but there's still quite a bit of white showing. I like it. So in here I have one of the pre-made, let me show you some of the pieces real quick. There's all sorts of pieces in this collection. There's several different sizes of side pocket envelopes. There's a ton of paper. You can look back at my last video to see. And also, there's a whole lot of stuff that I have enough papers to do another whole project. And I definitely have enough Santa stuff to do another whole project. So these are just a few. I wanted to keep this fairly flat because it was already starting to get bulky, and I think I'm going to mail this one. So I did not put ribbon or brad or a button on there. I may change my mind. I simply took it and used a gold Sharpie to put that little dot on there. So here's one of the tags. I did cover it on the other side with some of the paper from the collection. This one too. There's one of the little journaling cards. There's one of the tags. I just love these. Aren't they beautiful? So I just tucked those in there. Over here, I made a tuck spot using one of the tags. I did use one of the round 2-inch circles to fill in that. And then again, this time I had 2 of the journaling cards. I did not cover this one. I might go back and do that. Evidently, I didn't do that one very well, but you know, I can doll it up before I mail it off. And again, look at those images. Aren't they amazing? You can never have too many Santas, right? And this is definitely a little Santa booklet. I like to show them a little bit, so I have to kind of move things around here because I want it to show a little bit. Okay, next page. There's a little file folder. I put him on the front. I gunked it up a little bit with an ink pad. This one is actually a little belly band type thing, so he can rest in there. And then this one I just kind of layered 3 of the circles. Nothing too fancy, but it kind of filled up that blank spot. And then on this side, can you see my little... That's how I'm holding it all together. We'll see how that works. The only thing I used in this one that wasn't part of the collection is this little rustic looking Merry Christmas stamp. I wanted something on here, and that one was handy sitting out on my desk. So again, one of the tags, holding in one of the cute little square. It's not really a journal card, it's more of just a focal point. So there's that. And we flip it over to the next page. I just made a little tuck using a cutout from one of the papers and one of the circle tags, or circle things. Just slide that in there. On the back, I tilted a tag. I put one of the circle tags, and then I didn't bump it up, but there's also one of the little embellishments from one of these bigger tags that I cut out to put there. And then in here, I just took a couple of these little square little journaling cards and popped them in there. So there they are. And again, I probably have as many Santa things left or more than what I used in this project. And I definitely have a lot more paper. So I will probably be doing at least one more project with this. And then on the back side, I used this cutout thing. Looks like an torn edge of a notebook paper. Put it on some of the background paper. And then this little guy slides right in there. And I also cut out something to put that because it was too blank for me. So this is a little folio made with Happy Holidays and Santa's cards, Santa's tags, and journal cards. So this is it. It is a scrapbooking with me, 2 scrapbooking with me collections. You can find them in the shop. I will link the Santa cards in the shop. The Happy Holidays, if I remember, I will try to remember. I will link that also. And then I will put the playlist for the whole collab in the description. So thanks for visiting my channel. I hope you like the quick look at my little booklet, pamphlet. I don't even know what to call it. I do have room. I could chunk it up, but since I'm mailing it, I wanted to keep it somewhat flat. I think I can sneak it in a padded envelope and might get by with it not being too expensive. This is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please come back again soon. Please, if you'd like to, subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I do have new videos. I will see you the next time, and thanks for popping by. Have a great day.